Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel I share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds eating ketogenically and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. Hey everyone, welcome back. It was a crazy week, a crazy weekend. As you can see, I don't have makeup on and I'm having some issues with my face. I have a cold sore and my braces broke during the competition. I just had them fixed this morning, but you can see I have quite the fat lip going on for me today. It's been a rough morning. It's been a rough afternoon. I got some bad news this afternoon that upset me about it. Thing that I was hoping to do for my daughter for her allergies, and it didn't work out. And so I didn't even want to make this video. It's like 5:30 in the evening on Monday, and I am finally forcing myself to sit down and talk to you guys about this week because I do want to share with you how it went, and I'm just feeling extremely self-conscious and uncomfortable, but I'm going to do it anyway because that's what I do. I promise you guys I'd get you a video for Tuesday, because I'm sorry that there's no live chat again. I just really cannot go there at this given moment. I don't even have anything to say. I don't even have anything I want to talk about. I just thought, we're just going to do this weigh-in video and call it good. So the week leading up to the competition, I did really great. I kept my calories at 1,800 calories every single day, did my exact meals how I planned them, and yet the scale was still going up. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I weighed in on Friday. So you can see what I was dealing with. I was already at 188.8. I think it was it. I really don't know for sure. I'm not actually looking right now, but on Friday it was 188 something, and was not super happy about it. Now, this is the week that I generally do retain water, and so I kind of expected it to go up. And like I told you guys last week, I fully expected to be in the 190s by today because this weekend was going to be so hairy hard. So that was Friday before we left that I weighed in just in case. I just thought maybe I'd just throw something together earlier, and it just did not happen. So we left Friday, drove 3 hours to Idaho, and went right into dance competition mode. We were at that dance competition with the two little girls until about 8:30, and then we left and quickly drove to Golden Corral. So I ate my first meal on the go. I actually made chaffles and brought them with me. Chaffles and bacon and yogurt, brought it with me and just ate it on the go on the road. Then when we got to the venue, after I got the girls situated, I went and had a Quest bar. I can't remember exactly what I ate, but some kind of Quest meal, Quest bar, Quest shake, cheese, something like that. And then we ate again at Golden Corral at 9 o'clock. We walked in the door literally 3 minutes before they closed. I ate a cold hunk of steak and a salad off the salad bar. It was not worth $15. Let's just put it that way. It was gross. And I ate it anyway. And it was good. I mean, it was good because it was food and whatever. It was the right kind of food, which made me happy. But it was definitely not delicious by any stretch of the imagination, nor worth the amount of money we paid for it. But we went to the hotel, and next morning we decided we would go ahead and partake in the breakfast that was offered by the hotel. We had to be over at the venue by 9:30, and so at 9 we went ahead and I had 2 pieces of sausage and 3 of their odd looking eggs. I don't think they were full eggs. They were like teeny tiny little yolks and lots of white. So I figured they were probably pretty low in fat. So I didn't mind eating that. That worked out. Then I had another Quest meal somewhere in the middle of the day, and then another something. Like I cannot even tell you. Lost track of Saturday. Saturday was insane. This whole coronavirus thing, like being in a room with over probably like 300 people. It's like standing room only, no places to sit for hours and hours and hours, watching our kids kill themselves, and then they didn't win anything, so that was super depressing. We usually do win, and we were just like, we had no chance this time. I don't know what the deal was, but we didn't even come close. And so then I think I ate twice during the day. I just can't remember exactly what I ate. I think I had a yogurt. Oh yeah, okay, so the first time I had a Quest shake, yogurt, and cheese. And that was probably around noon, 1 o'clock-ish. And then I had a Quest bar and a Quest cookie in the afternoon around 4. I want to say 4 or 5, something like that. And then we ate wings. So we went and got wingers on the way out, and I ate those at around 10 p.m. at the hotel room. I think I had 9 winger wings with a sauce on the side. And that's it. So it was kind of a weird day on Saturday. Then on Sunday, we didn't eat until about 1 o'clock. We went to a restaurant there in Pocatello. I had steak and eggs and some cottage cheese. Then we headed out on the road, and we stopped about, I don't know, halfway there, and I got a Quest bar and a Quest cookie in the gas station and ate that. Then we came home, and Dave fixed me dinner. I had Hawaiian haystacks, which is basically chicken breast with like a bouillon gravy made from xanthan gum, some slivered almonds, tomatoes, cheese, that kind of thing. Had that for dinner. So, needless to say, I'm sure you can imagine what I thought the scale was going to look like this morning. I was definitely prepared for some not nice numbers. And you know what? I also was like, it is what it is. I really wasn't worried about it. And so anyway, let's just get to the numbers so you guys can see, and then we'll talk about it. All right, so as you can see, I weighed in today at 188.4, and that's only 1 pound up from last Friday, or from last Sunday? I don't even know when I weighed in. Guys, I'm losing my mind. Yeah, so I think it's 1 pound up from the last weigh-in. And considering this is my ovulation week, I'll call that good. Because usually on ovulation week, I'm putting on like 6 pounds of water weight. So I think I did pretty great. And it just goes to show, comparing last week to this week, I have all these people coming on and telling me, oh, it's all the Quest bars you're all of a sudden eating, or the Quest bars you eat all the time. And I'm like, haven't eaten Quest bars in like months. And I told you guys I was going to start eating the Quest bars, and I made a big deal about them. And then I'm still being told that the Quest bars are the reason I gained 10 pounds, even though I was not eating any when I gained the weight. And I haven't gained any real weight since I started eating them. It's actually working. I actually did my measurements today as well. So I didn't do them last week because I was too overwhelmed. And I thought, yeah, they're probably just going to be up because I was bloated and crazy last weekend. And so this weekend I went ahead and did it. And I was actually all the same except for the 2 places I hate the most. My waist, my upper waist, basically my 2 fat rolls. My upper waist and my hips, my bottom roll. I was actually down a 1/2 inch on both of those from 2 weeks ago. So, win-win. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. That makes me super happy. Anytime that I get smaller, I definitely feel happier. So, did the same thing this week as I did last week. Pretty much. I don't know if I overate. I don't even know if I overate on Saturday and Sunday because I didn't even track at all, which is, last weekend I did track and I still gained. And I didn't even go that far over my calories last time. And I went over my calories this time. Didn't. It just goes to show that what you eat that exact day does not always reflect exactly what is on the scale. There's so many other things that come into play. Now, you guys will be watching this week. I will be bringing out the results of my other 2 tests that I did that I talked to you guys about on the blood test video. If you missed that blood test video, I will go ahead and link it for you up here in the cards. Definitely check it out. I still have the same deal going on, the discount deal. So if you're looking to get a test for yourself, in the last video, I did cholesterol and my vitamins like B and D and all that. So if you're curious, if you missed that, go check it out so you can see my results. This time, I was actually testing my A1C and my cortisol. So I'm sure you guys are curious as to what I got results that way. So I will be making that video. I was going to make it today, but I'm going to let this lip dye down a little bit and see if I can't make myself look a little bit more presentable. I feel bad enough showing myself right now to you guys right now. If it wasn't for this light, it makes me feel a little better. I know I literally look like death right now. Literally like death. And I totally hate that I'm coming on YouTube letting you guys see me looking like death. But you know what? It must be done. Right? It must be done. I have to keep things going and be consistent and do what I said I would do. So I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. This next few weeks, everything should be getting back to normal. I don't have a competition for a few more weeks. I do have a big photography gig on the 20th and 21st. So that'll get in the way. But as far as videos go, I should be getting back into the swing of things, at least for the next couple of weeks. So I hope that you guys are having a great time. Don't forget to check out all the links in the About section if you're looking for ways that you can support the channel and for you to get some fun stuff along the way. So I hope that you enjoy that. And don't forget to check out my family channel, Hide and Seek. We've got some fun stuff coming up over there. If you want to see what the competition is really like, that's where you're going to find it, is over there on Hide and Seek. The link will be at the end of this video, so don't miss the end card. All right, guys, I love you all so much. We'll talk to you all again soon. Bye.